Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Dares Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this tasty vegan and vegetarian bean stew. So for my bean stew, I'm using black eyed beans which has been soaked the day before to reduce our cooking time. You can also choose to soak it for about 6 to 8 hours on the day of preparing your bean stew. So on a high heat, I just added my washed beans to my pot and I'm adding some hot water to start the boiling process. And I'm also adding some shallot onion to give it this aromatic flavor. And please make sure you don't add salt to your beans when you're boiling them at the beginning. And for my ginger paste, I added some fennel seeds, garlic, ginger and Scotch bonnet to my mortar and I'm going to grind it for our stew. Now, beans has been boiling for about 25 minutes now, and this is the perfect time to add your salt because adding your salt at the beginning also prolongs the cooking time for your beans. And now I'm going to add some coconut milk. Yes, this is another tip. It makes your beans very creamy and very tender and delicious. So as you can see, our beans has been cooking for an extra 20 minutes now and it looks so soft, creamy and delicious. I'm telling you, adding the coconut milk makes a difference with your beans. It just melts in your mouth and the aroma is too much. We are going to transfer our beans into a bowl and start with our stew. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So now I'm just going to give my beans a rough mash. If you don't have the masher, you can use your asanka in Ghana. That's what we use. And this is how I ate it growing up. So you can choose not to mash it if you don't want it to combine together. You want it separately. So on a medium heat in my pan, I added some palm oil. And I'm going to add some coconut oil to give our stew extra flavor and aroma to our stew. I'm telling you, you need to try this bean stew and it's really good for vegans and vegetarians. You can also choose to add meat if you don't want that option of being a vegan or vegetarian. So here I'm adding some shallot onions and we are going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So our onions has been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can choose to use any onion of your choice. So I just added my ginger paste and we're just going to cook it for about a minute to take the rawness as well. And I'm adding some curry powder to give our stew a very good aroma and flavor. So here I'm adding some fresh tomatoes. You can choose to use the canned tomatoes if you don't want the fresh one. So we are going to cook this for about 5 minutes. So as you can see, our tomatoes has been cooking for about 5 minutes now and I just added some chopped green bell peppers and some sliced mushrooms as well. You can choose to add any vegetables that you want and I just added some vegetable seasonings and we are going to stir everything together. And please don't forget to press the notification button and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do any recipes, please don't forget to comment down below. Thank you. So I just added my beans and we're going to stir it and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. And now our bean stew is ready. I'm telling you, this bean stew is so aromatic and delicious. And look at how creamy it is. You can have this with some rice, with some fried plantain, with some potatoes. And thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.